Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best trim restorer you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best trim restorer in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Car Guys Trim Restorer. This can be used for a multitude of purposes, including a vehicle bumper, a Jeep or Chevy Avalanche truck with a lot of plastic, and your RV or motorcycle. There are also nautical applications for things like your boat's vinyl seats. Works fantastically for any indoor or outdoor accessory or home restoration jobs including shutters, furniture, and siding. Car Guys Plastic Restorer appears to be an automotive product, but this unique formula can restore anything made of plastic, vinyl, or rubber. It will return the material to whatever color it was originally. It's great for bringing back faded black or gray textiles. It will also restore any color faded materials to their original luster and polish. This device is incredibly simple to use. Simply clean the surface with Car Guys Super Cleaner Spray or any other form of cleaner that successfully removes old dressings, oil, and dirt. Wipe a tiny quantity onto the surface using our provided applicator pad. After 10 to 15 minutes, remove any excess product and you're finished. Simply clean affected surfaces with ordinary soap and water in the future. These products have been created and reformulated numerous times in comparison to the leading brands. You honestly feel you have developed the best plastic restorer on the market. Furthermore, all of our goods are mixed, bottled, and packaged entirely in the United States by hardworking Americans. All of these variables raise our prices slightly, but also allow us to offer higher quality items. Our second best trim restorer is Chemical Guys Trim Restorer. VRP Protectant is the ultimate interior and exterior trim protector and shine enhancer. VRP gives any rubber, vinyl, or textured plastic surface a high shine finish. The simple to apply protectant restores a deep black appearance, improves luster, and shields the surface from UV rays. Ideal for tires, bumpers, trim pieces, bumper moldings, side mirrors, and many more applications. Dashboards, door panels, vinyl seats, and steering wheels are all easily protected. VRP gives plastic and rubber trim a bright shine and restores the dark black appearance. Apply to rubber tires after each wash to keep the dark black finish. Restore dull and fading mirror and bumper trim to black and rich. VRP Protectant leaves no residue and dries completely. VRP Protectant maintains the luster of your cut for weeks, not days. VRP penetrates deeply into the pores of plastic, rubber, and vinyl to repair and protect the surface. The water-based protectant gives interior and outdoor surfaces a beautiful fresh look, rather than a greasy wet appearance. Chemical Guys VRP Protectant will restore the dark, rich shine to vinyl, rubber, and plastic trim. Works safely on all automotive vehicle brands including Acura, Audi, BMW, Buick, Cadillac, Chevrolet, Chrysler, Dodge, Fisker, Ford, GMC, Honda, Hummer, Hyundai, Infiniti, Isuzu, Jaguar, Jeep, Kia, Land Rover, Lexus, Lincoln, Mazda, Mercedes, Mercury, Mini, Mitsubishi, Nissan, Pontiac, Porsche, Ram, Saab, Subaru, Tesla, Toyota, Volkswagen, and Volvo, and RV brands including Coach. Third pick in our list is Turtle Wax 53838 Hybrid Trim Restorer. The hybrid solutions of Turtle Wax Graphene Acrylic Trim Restorer does more than just restore. This innovative composition is the perfect option for restoring and protecting exterior trim and plastic almost instantly and easily, giving better protection from strong sun rays, car washes, road salts, and more. Unlike other trim restorers, this coating does not wear off after a few days and will persist eternally. This is the case. This innovative formula's combination of graphene and acrylic polymers restores dull, faded exterior trim and textured plastic to like new state and will not disappear like other restorers. The long-lasting coating can endure car washings, harsh seasonal conditions, road salts, and other elements while maintaining a deep black appearance. Superior protection against harmful UV rays from the sun, future fading, and oxidation. Using on new trim is an excellent method to keep that showroom finish. Quick and simple application that dries to the touch within minutes, offering immediate protection from dirt and grime and leaving nothing but shine. This advanced formula both restores and protects exterior trim and plastic, thanks to a dynamic duo of graphene and acrylic that maximize shine and blacken dull textured plastic almost instantly and easily, while also providing superior protection from harsh sun rays, car washing, road salts, and more. While the results speak for themselves, you can also benefit from the formula's long-lasting nature. The long-lasting finish will withstand the weather during seasonal exposure. Furthermore, it dries to the touch within minutes of application, allowing you to drive off and show off that dark, wet, deep shine in no time. Number 4 in our side is CERAKOTE Ceramic Trim Restorer. CERAKOTE Trim Coat is a product that's not a greasy dressing that will wash off after a few washes or a good rain. Unlike other items, there is no top secret sauce that reportedly extends the shelf life of a product by a few months. This ceramic coating is guaranteed to last for 2 years. Unlike other low-cost treatments that only provide a short oily shine before washing off, CERAKOTE Trim Coat will both repair and protect your trim. Trim Coat will restore and protect your plastic trim for a period of 2 years, as stated in our warranty. Period. There are no gimmicks, fine print, or secrets. Simply a ceramic coating that adheres to your vehicle's plastic, providing years of protection while looking fantastic. Each CERAKOTE Trim Coat kit includes a pair of gloves as well as 10 individually packaged, pre-moistened wipes. It's as simple as following the directions, opening a pack, and starting wiping. You don't have to squirt a greasy substance all over your vehicle and rub it in, or drop gel on a pad and begin buffing while damaging pads, towels, and your clothes. Last in our best trim restorer list is Solution Finish Black Trim Restorer. Solution Finish Trim Restorer restores black and gray surfaces to a deep, rich finish that is free of wet look and shine. This one-of-a-kind solution mixes ancient elements with cutting-edge polymer technology to create a stunning, long-lasting, rich, protective finish. Use it to clean, restore, and protect bumpers, pads, trim, mirrors, mud flaps, window trim, seals, running boards, truck bed caps and covers, handles, wiper blades, and other vehicle components. Apply to a clean, cool surface while wearing gloves and eye protection for the greatest effects. Prep the target area with 70% isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber towel before applying. Apply a tiny amount of solution finish on an applicator pad, apply thinly, and leave for 1 to 2 minutes. Then, with a clean microfiber sponge or foam pad, rub the excess product away from the glass and paint. Another significant benefit of solution finish is that it is designed for professional use, which means it is a silicone-free solution that uses only natural oils and is VOC compliant. Look no further than Solution Finish Trim Restorer if you're searching for a superb product to help repair faded trim. This silicone-free and VOC compliant product delivers a like-new finish using sophisticated polymer technology. Apply to window trim, handles, bumpers, wiper blades, mirrors, truck bed coverings, seals, mud flaps, pads, and other surfaces.